How to redeem Roblox gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can redeem your Roblox gift card online. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your Roblox gift card online, first of all, you just want to come to roblox.com and then make sure that you're signed into your account as well. Now you can actually redeem it from the application too. The process is basically the same, but if you're on browser, come to roblox.com, make sure you're signed in, and then what you need to do is just click on the three lines icon which you see at the very top left hand side of the screen, and then once you click on the three lines icon over here, you'll be able to see all this where you have to look for the option called gift cards, which you see right at the bottom left. So just go ahead and then click on the gift cards button. So once you click on the option called gift cards, first of all it will take you to a page where you can shop for gift cards, right? But that is not what we're going to do. We're going to redeem it. So on the top right hand side you'll find the option called redeem card. Just click on that option again. So when you go to the redeem page, whether it is a gift card, a virtual item, or a promo code, depending upon whatever type of code it is, you simply need to enter them here. There isn't different spaces for gift card, different spaces for promo code, or different spaces for virtual item codes. All you need to do is, depending upon whatever code it is, just make sure to enter them here. Make sure that all of your digits are entered correctly, and then just hit the redeem button from the bottom of the screen, and depending upon the value of that gift card, that is going to be successfully applied to your Roblox account. And that's all it takes to redeem your Roblox gift card online. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.